Ohayo gozaimasu! We are here at Hoshino Resorts, Tomamu, and of course in Hokkaido you have to have all this soft serve, but not just any soft serve. This place actually milks their own cow. Tomorrow we'll go milking. This lady actually looks after the cow, and then you can see the everything is so interesting here. They got a whole stand that looks like a well, cow pattern, and you got Hokkaido there. And later on, we are going to go onto this buggy. We're going to go on this buggy and go all around the estate. So we'll see what happens.
You're going to try the milkshake?
Yes, thank you. So good.
So cute.
It is.
Biscuit.
It's got biscuit.
Biscuit.
And this thing looks like the buildings behind. Oh, this is hay. We're out here, and this is a hay bed. Can you imagine? They put a bed in the middle of a meadow. Alright, and this is the hay bed. So, and there's cows behind. And I'm just gonna lie down here and watch the view.
Let's watch the view already.
So behind me are the towers at the Hoshino Resorts, and one of the crazy things that you can do is to look at sheep and lie down on a hammock. There you go. Yeah, there you go. That's life. Everything would be perfect if it wasn't so cold. You come in summer, I think this would be really good, but not at the end of autumn where it's 2 degrees outside. I'm gonna have a nap now. Quite comfortable. Konnichiwa! We are here in the middle of Hokkaido. This is Hoshino Resorts Tomamu. The last time we were here was 2 years ago where we came skiing. Now it's autumn. Since then they have built this new complex or this new place called Hotaru Street. And it's got about 8 restaurants, so I'm gonna go around to look at some of the restaurants. I got this restaurant to show you, so come with me. Are you following me? Okay, here we go. We got this place that sells soup curry. Soup curry is something that is typical to Hokkaido. So here we are at Soup Curry Garaku. They're quite famous in Sapporo, and this is one of the shops outside of Sapporo. Ta-da! Right, we're gonna have some soup curry. So this is Hokkaido soup curry. So unlike the curry that we are used to in Singapore, we seldom see curry like so watery. So quite nice. I think it's something that we're quite used to. We're sort of used to spicy kind of soup, like a tom yum soup, that kind of thing. This one is quite unique. It's got quite a punch too, and they've got rice. So I guess this is Hokkaido's version of sort of Indian food. Now I'm gonna ask my wife Faye Eats to give her opinion of the food. Here we go.
Hi. Okay, I've just had this thing called soup curry, and I would say that first time eating it gives me a sense that it feels a little Indian, a bit Japanese, and then reminds me a little bit of mala. Do you know that you can choose between level 1 to 10? This is level 4, and we're like, okay, because we're not spicy eaters, right? But it's really very nice, okay? So I definitely recommend you coming here to try the soup curry. Okay, that was our curry, and now our next stop.
This place, Hotaru Street, has got 9 restaurants, and I'm gonna check out the next one, which is a seafood place. Whoa! You don't feel like you're in Hokkaido until you have some uni. Yeah, and all the other seafood as well. So let's go and have some seafood. Alright, we might be in the middle of the mountains in a ski resort. That doesn't mean we can't have fresh seafood. Over here, we have salmon, uni, we got ikura, we got chopped fatty tuna, botan ebi, we got crab. This is called the greedy mini bowls because you're just feeling a little bit greedy after skiing, you know. In case you're not feeling too greedy, you can have this. This is called the luxury bowl in English, the luxury jewel in English, but for those of you who know how to read Chinese or Japanese, right, it's actually the superior gout bowl. For those of you who just feel like you need to have a gout attack, this is it. It's all the high purine food that will give you a gout attack. Lucky I don't have gout. But in case you don't like to eat raw seafood, and some people don't, you can have cooked seafood. So this is basically tempura prawns, but they've got this interesting looking meringue that they put in because this represents the cloud, because this place is also famous for the Unkai terrace where you go and see the sea of clouds. So quite an interesting bowl, but I think I'm gonna go for gout, yeah? Alright, so here we go. For those of my fellow uni lovers, this one is for you. Now, I was just told this little tip. If you are a guy, I'm a guy, in Japan, when you eat something delicious, you don't go, oh, oishi, oishi, because that's what all the girls say. What you should do as a guy, as a man, as a manly man, you should go like this. Umai, umai.
I am going to go for the greedy 6, alright? So let's give a try for this fatty tuna. Oishi, oishi. Nambara oishi.
Everyone, welcome to Tomamu. I am the potato master of this Tomamu. These are potato of Hokkaido. I ate everything and each other different taste. It's very good. And these are real potato salad. We call about this one potato salad gelato. It's my favorite one is this one, the smoked salmon, and the potato name is May Queen. And another one, this one, the name is Shadow Queen. The very beautiful color and very nice taste. Thank you very much.
This is your shiro sirloin steak.
One, two, and three. Too bad you can't smell this because I am smelling beef steak. Tonight we are doing a Wagyu tasting, and these are all Hokkaido Wagyu. This one is fed with kombu for that umami boost. This one is a shiro ui, which is a milder but still very sweet. And this is a crossbred Wagyu between a Wagyu and a Holstein. And we are at Kamaro Steak Diner here at Hotaru Street, which is this new development at Hoshino Resorts Tomamu. So I'm going to taste this steak and I'm going to tell you just how they taste like. Look at that. Mm.